Welcome back to PrinterFix Pro, the channel where we fix real HP printer problems, step by step. I am Adaora, and today we are solving a scary message on the HP OfficeJet Pro 8020E. Scanner damaged. Sarah thought her scanner had failed completely and was already looking at replacement printers. But the real issue was not a dead scanner. It was a communication and firmware problem. Let me show you exactly how we fixed it.
Hi, Adaora. Every time I try to scan a document, my HP OfficeJet Pro 8020E says scanner damaged. I've restarted it several times, but the message keeps coming back. I see. Let's get that fixed for you. I have client documents to scan today, and I honestly think the scanner is gone. I see the error. Let's try to get it working.
This error looks really bad. Sarah, I understand why that message feels serious, but do not replace the printer yet. Scanner damage does not always mean the scanner hardware is physically broken.
Okay.
The scanner is a separate system inside the printer. If the printer loses communication with that system, it may display scanner damaged even when the scanner bar and scanner glass are still functional.
So it might be able to scan, but the printer cannot talk to it properly? Exactly. It's a communication issue. Okay, so what's the next step? Exactly. We are going to reset the communication pathway, then check the firmware. I will guide you every step. Think of the printer and scanner like two departments inside the same office. If the message between them breaks down, the printer assumes the scanner failed. Power interruptions, incomplete startup, corrupted firmware, or a stuck internal scanner routine can trigger this error. I see. What should I check first? Let's start with the firmware. That makes sense. It happened after the printer froze yesterday. We will start with a full power reset. First, leave the printer turned on, then disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer. Okay, disconnecting it now. Great. Now just wait a moment. I am removing the power cord from the back of the printer now. Now unplug the power cord from the wall outlet too. Both ends must be disconnected. Okay, got it. Great. Now pull the cord from the printer. All done. Both ends are disconnected. Perfect. What's next? Wait a full 60 seconds. This drains the remaining power and forces the printer controller and scanner module to start fresh. Okay, turning it off. 60 seconds is up. I am plugging the wall outlet back in first, then the printer. Perfect, Sarah. Go ahead. Okay, it's connected. Great work. Good. Let it finish starting up completely. Do not touch the screen until the printer is quiet and ready. It is ready. I am trying copy from the control panel. The message is still there. That is okay. The reset was step 1. If the message remains, firmware is the next place to check. Okay, I see. Good. Let's check that next.
Open HP Smart on your laptop and select your HP OfficeJet Pro 8020E. Okay, opening it now. Great. Now just select your printer from the list. Got it. It's selected.
HP Smart is open. I selected the printer.
Go to Printer Settings. Okay, I'm there. From there, open Advanced Settings. Got it. Now what? Look for Firmware Update. Okay, found it.
I see Printer Settings. Now Advanced Settings. Yes, I see Firmware Update. Excellent. Check for updates. If one is available, install it and let it finish completely. Okay, doing it now. There is an update available. I am clicking Update now. Perfect, Sarah. The update is starting. Okay, I see it installing. Do not close the laptop, turn off the printer, or disconnect power during the update. The update progress bar is moving. The printer just restarted by itself.
That's normal. The lights are blinking as it reboots to apply the update.
That is expected. Firmware updates often reboot the printer because they replace internal instructions that control communication between the scanner, printer controller, and software. Oh, I see. Thank you. Now we test the scanner hardware directly. Place one document flat on the scanner glass. Close the lid gently, then press Copy from the printer control panel. Document is on the glass, lid closed. Perfect, scanning now. Looks good, thanks. I am pressing copy now. Wait, the scanner bar is moving. That is a very good sign. The scanner mechanism is responding again.
That's wonderful news, Sarah. Glad we got it working. The copy came out. It copied the whole page clearly. Excellent. Now let us test the actual scan function from HP Smart. Keep the same document on the scanner glass, return to HP Smart, choose Scan, and start the scan. Okay, starting the scan.
I am in HP Smart. Scan is selected. Now I'll confirm the scan. I am clicking Scan now. The progress bar is moving. No error yet. It worked. The scanned document is on my laptop screen. No scanner damage message.
Excellent. That confirms the scanner hardware is working and communication has been restored. Perfect. Thank you, Adaora.
Of course. I honestly thought I needed a new printer. I was already looking at replacement models online. I'm glad we could resolve it remotely. No need for a new one.
Fortunately, your printer was still recoverable. It needed a proper power reset, a firmware update, and a direct copy and scan test to confirm the scanner came back online.
Thank you so much. You probably saved me a few $100s today. You're very welcome, Sarah.
You are very welcome. That is exactly why PrinterFix Pro exists. Let us quickly review what happened. The scanner damaged error was not caused by confirmed physical scanner failure.
The printer had lost proper communication with the scanner system. The power reset cleared the frozen state, and the firmware update restored stable communication. If the error still returns after reset and firmware update, the scanner may need service, but always test these steps before replacing the printer.
If your HP printer displays scanner damaged, do not assume the scanner is broken immediately. Start with a full power reset, check for firmware updates, then test copy and scan. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and follow PrinterFix Pro for more HP troubleshooting guides.